Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar and welcome to Finance MCQ channel, a channel where we are covering practice questions on technical syllabus of SEBI Grade A Officer exam. And friends, today we'll discuss some questions from costing topic. Friends, this technical syllabus is having 100 marks in phase 1 and it has 2/3 weightage of your phase 2 of SEBI Grade A exam. And friends, you can find the entire technical syllabus of SEBI Grade A exam chapter wise, topic wise on Finance MCQ website in MCQ question format. You can visit the website and practice the entire technical syllabus there. I have put the website link on the description box below. So let's begin and try to solve the MCQ questions along with me. Question number 1. Which of the following are co-products? Option A, timber board made from different trees. Option B, molasses in sugar industry. Option C, glycerin in soap industry. Option D, wheat and grams produced in separate farms. And last option, both A and D. Friends, remember that here both A and D will be co-products. Friends, co-products are valuable products generated along with the manufacturing process. And friends, remember that byproducts are produced incidental to the production of main product. Next question. Which one is an example of internal application of service costing? Option A, canteen service facility for staff. Option B, captive power plant. Option C, fleet of vehicle for raw material transportation. Option D, all of the above, and last option, none of the above. So friends, here all of these will be internal application of service costing, as all the mentioned points options are for internal use or for captive consumption use. Next question. In a gas industry, there is a natural loss inherent in nature of petrol or diesel due to evaporation or change in moisture conditions. Such loss is known as option A, normal loss. Option B, abnormal loss. Option C, no loss. Option D, all of the above, and last option, none of the above. So friends, the correct answer is option A, normal loss. Friends, normal loss is something which arises during the normal course and is unavoidable, like evaporation of diesel or gas. Moving on. Which of the following is not considered as process innovation? Option A, capital replacement. Option B, changes arises purely from changes in factor prices. Option C, trading of significantly improved product. Option D, all of the above, and last option, none of the above. So friends, here all of the above will not be considered as process innovation. Friends, process innovation is the implementation of new or significantly improved production or delivery method. So example would be just-in-time manufacturing or total quality maintenance. Next question. Job costing is suitable for which type of assignment? Option A, where different customers are having different specifications. Option B, where each order requires special treatment. Option C, where work in progress differs on the basis of number of jobs in hand. Option D, all of the above, and last option, none of the above. So friends, here all of these will be features of job costing. Friends, example of job costing will be in areas for like aircraft manufacturing, interior decoration, or even in law firms. Moving on. Question number 6. There is a minimum level of expenditure that needs to be incurred at each time a batch is to be run, irrespective of the number of units produced. This statement is option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, depends upon company. Option D, can't say, and last option, none of the above. So friends, here the statement is true. Examples of such minimum level expenditure are machine setup cost, engaging workers for production and their supervision, etc. Moving on. Just-in-time approach is useful in option A, manufacturing industry. Option B, service industry. Option C, education industry. Option D, all of the above, and last option, none of the above. So friends, remember that just-in-time approach will be helpful in manufacturing industry, because just-in-time is for streamlining company's production process, hence useful in manufacturing units. Friends, before moving on to the next question, let's discuss the question I asked in my previous video. I asked, under which section the provision for buyback is covered in Companies Act 2013. So friends, the correct answer is section 68 of Companies Act 2013 covers the provision for buyback of shares. Next question. Which of the following activity of 5S is related to segregation and removal of unnecessary papers, books, files or documents in workplace area? Option A, sort. Option B, set in order. Option C, shine. Option D, standardize. Option E, sustain. So friends, here the correct answer is option A, sort. Friends, sorting things makes work easier and eliminate unnecessary items from the workplace. Next question, which of the following is the foundation of total productivity maintenance? Option A, ABC analysis, option B, Pareto analysis, option C, 5S, option D, Kaizen, and last option TQM. So friends, here the correct answer is 5S. Friends, remember that total productivity maintenance is basically to get the workforce involved in maintaining their own equipment and emphasizing on proactive and preventive maintenance for fewer breakdowns, stops and defects. So friends, total productivity maintenance foundation will be 5S because it deals with organizing workplace to recognize and uncover problems in an organization. Next question, which of the following is a disadvantage of Kaizen costing? Option A, employees will be agile to changing existing system. Option B, requires training of management and staff. Option C, it could lead to overall change in the existing working system. Option D, all of the above, and last option, none of the above. So friends, here all of these will be disadvantage of Kaizen costing. So friends, the question for today's video is, what is Kaizen costing? So those who know the answer, please comment in the comment box. We will discuss in our tomorrow's video. Friends, if you want to practice more such type of MCQ questions from your technical syllabus, I request you to kindly visit Finance MCQ website. It has entire SEBI graded technical syllabus in MCQ format. 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions to practice. It has explanation for correct answer wherever required. Plus 25 test series to practice from your technical syllabus. So friends, don't miss this golden opportunity and increase your selection chances significantly. Website link is given in the description box below. If you have any questions, please write in the comment box below. I will try to address them. And I will come up with new MCQ questions to practice on SEBI Grade A exam. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.